Before you buy any glue for glass, there's one thing no product page tells you, and it's the reason most people end up with cracked bonds or cloudy messes. People who have actually used these glues say the real difference isn't in the marketing, it's in how they behave when things get wet, hot, or under pressure. Let's fix that. Product number 1, Cruzix B7000 Clear Adhesive. First up is the Cruzix B7000, a semi-fluid glue that's become a favorite in the jewelry and craft world. At just $7.82 for 4 15 ml tubes, it sits in the budget-friendly range, but don't let the price fool you, this one's built for precision. If you want a glue that stays flexible after drying, resists water, and won't yellow over time, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The B7000 is waterproof and highly elastic, meaning it can stretch without breaking, perfect if you're gluing glass to metal or repairing a cracked phone screen that might bend slightly. It dries crystal clear and rock hard, and the built-in needle tip lets you apply tiny drops exactly where needed, so you're not drowning your project in glue. With over 10,000 units sold last month, it's clearly doing something right. Now, some people complained about the drying time. It takes up to 24 hours to fully cure. That's true, and if you're in a rush, this might frustrate you. But here's the thing, that slow cure actually helps create a stronger, more flexible bond, especially on uneven or delicate surfaces. Rushing it with a fast dry glue could lead to brittleness. This is perfect for you if you're into DIY jewelry, rhinestone work, or need a reliable glue for small glass repairs that might face moisture or movement. Skip this one if you need instant hold for heavy glass pieces or structural fixes. For under $8, it's an incredible value for detailed, long-lasting work. Product number 2, Gorilla Super Glue Gel XL. Now, if the B7000 slow cure time bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach: speed. The Gorilla Super Glue Gel XL is a thick, no-run formula that sets in just 10 to 45 seconds. No clamping needed. At 25 grams, it's a solid mid-sized bottle, and while the price isn't listed, it's typically around $8.10, placing it in the affordable pro range. Here's why this matters for you. The gel consistency means it won't drip down vertical glass surfaces, like fixing a broken picture frame or a glass shelf bracket. It bonds glass, metal, ceramic, and plastic with impact-resistant strength thanks to its cyanoacrylate base. And it dries crystal clear, so your repair stays invisible. Over 10,000 units sold last month shows how trusted it is for quick fixes. Now, some people complained about brittleness over time, especially when exposed to heat or constant stress. That's a real concern. Super glues like this can become fragile if the bond is under flex or high temps, like near a window in summer. But for small, non-load-bearing glass repairs, it's still rock solid. This is perfect for you if you need fast, strong fixes on flat or vertical glass surfaces and don't expect heavy movement. Skip this one if you're bonding large panels or need flexibility. It's a great value for emergency repairs and everyday use. Product number 3, Gorilla Super Glue Mini Tubes. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for travel or tiny fixes. The Gorilla Super Glue in 4 3-gram tubes. Same formula as the XL, but in pocket-sized portions. Again, price varies, but usually under $6 for the pack, making it one of the cheapest ways to get reliable Gorilla performance. Here's why this matters. Each tube is sealed individually, so you only open what you need. No more dried-out bottles. The gel formula still sets in 10-45 seconds, bonds glass to almost anything, and resists impact. It's ideal for on-the-spot repairs, like fixing a cracked phone screen protector or a broken glass ornament during the holidays. Now, some people said the small tubes are hard to squeeze evenly, leading to too much glue coming out at once. That's fair, the opening is tiny and pressure control takes practice. But once you get the hang of it, it's a lifesaver for precision work. This is perfect for you if you want backup glue in your toolkit, car, or craft box without wasting product. Skip this one if you're doing large projects or need a lot of volume. For the price and convenience, it's a steal. Product number 4, Gorilla Glue with Brush and Nozzle. Now, if you liked the Gorilla formula but hated the mess of squeezing a tube, this version fixes that. The Gorilla Super Glue with brush and nozzle gives you two ways to apply: a fine brush for broad, even coats or a precision tip for tiny drops. At 12 grams and usually around $7.9, it's a smart upgrade for detailed work. Here's why this matters. The brush lets you spread glue smoothly across larger glass surfaces, like bonding a glass mosaic tile or repairing a cracked vase. The nozzle gives pinpoint control for small cracks, and like all Gorilla Glue, it sets fast, dries clear, and resists impact. Over 6,000 sold last month shows it's gaining traction. Now, some people said the brush can leave fibers behind or get clogged if not cleaned. That's a real issue. Once dried glue builds up, it's hard to remove. But if you wipe the tip after use, it stays functional for months. This is perfect for you if you're doing craft projects or repairs that need both coverage and control. Skip this one if you only need quick one-drop fixes. It's a great middle ground between precision and usability. Product number 5, E6000 Plus Clear Adhesive. Finally, the E6000 Plus, a heavy-duty industrial-grade glue that's waterproof, paintable, and incredibly flexible. At $13.99 for 56, 1 ml, it's the priciest on this list, but it's built for serious repairs. If you're bonding large glass pieces or need a bond that survives weather and movement, this is the one. It's also waterproof and can be painted over, great for outdoor glass projects or bathroom fixtures. It bonds glass, metal, ceramic, and fabric with insane strength. Over 5,000 sold last month proves its reputation. Now, some people complained about the strong chemical smell and long cure time, up to 72 hours for full strength. That's true, and you'll want to use it in a well-ventilated area. But that slow cure is what gives it such a durable, flexible hold. This is perfect for you if you need a permanent, weatherproof bond on large or structural glass. Skip this one if you need fast results or are sensitive to fumes. For heavy-duty use, it's worth every penny. So which glue wins? For crafts and small fixes, the Cruzix B7000 offers flexibility and precision. Need speed? The Gorilla Gel XL or Mini tubes deliver fast, strong bonds. Want control? The brush version is a game changer. And for heavy-duty, weatherproof jobs, E6000 Plus is unbeatable. Each has its place. Pick based on your project, not the hype.